Right, question number 38. So what would be the output of the following Python code? What would be the output when the following Python code is executed? X equal 1, def my function. So there's a function getting P and Q and global X. It's referring to the same variable X. So I think you know about the global variables and local variables. So basically what you introduce inside the Python code, a function is called local. So if you have a function def, say hello. So let's say you have a variable or parameter X here. And for, let's say for I in range X, I'm going to write a function, print, let's say hello. This is a very simple function. So it uses a parameter. So let's run the function and see. So what is the output of this function? It's going to say me hello X times. We're going to say hello X times. Let's say question, sorry, 2020 paper question number 38 explanation .py. So when you run the function, you can see it's executed now. And if I say hello, so let's say I insert 5 for the parameter, it's printing hello 5 times. If I say hello 10, it will print hello 10 times. That is customizable function. But if you try to print X, but it won't print because X is not recognized. X is local to the function. X is local to the function. So it will not be recognized. So, but if I tell something like this, X equal 1, X equal 1, and if I say this is a global X, right? So then let's run the function. So let's use Y, right? Y equal 1 and global Y, and I'm going to make Y equal to the X, right? So then, because I cannot use the parameter one. Now you can see the function is executed. If I print, now print 4 times, you can see it will be printing 4. Sorry, say hello 4 times. I have executed. Say hello 4 times. It's saying hello 4 times. Hello, 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 hello. Say hello 5 times. 6 times it's saying hello 6 times. But if I ask what is Y, so it says 6. How this Y became 6? Because Y, I have made Y equal to 6. That means whatever the value I'm getting from the parameter, I have assigned to the global variable here. Global variable means functions, the variables outside the function scope. Function එක දැන් ඔයාලගේ ගෙදර ඔයගොල්ලන්ට කියන්නේ කොහොමද? සුදු පුතා කියයි, චූටි පුතා කියයි, කිරි පුතා, අරවයි මේවා එක එක කියනවනේ. චූටි බබා. එහෙමත් කියනවා. එහෙමත් කියනවා සමහර අය චූටි බබා, පොඩි පුතා. Likewise, you are given different nickname. Those are valid only inside the, but if it is a global thing, so maybe you can, so it is possible to globally register. Globally, it's globally registered. Okay, that කියන්නේ එහෙම එතකොට මේ globally recognize කරන්නේ. So that can be done, right? Whatever the function Y will be, so here X value will be globally changed for everyone, right? That is the global variable. But normally, so if you use something like this, okay, let's say you have some other variable Z equal 4, but this Z is also local. So if I try to print, if I run the function, say hello 6 times, printing, I'm asking what is Y, it's printing. But if I ask what is Z, it doesn't know Z. What is X? That is also not recognized. Because X and Y, we are using inside the function. Those are local. Those will not be recognized after that, after using. So actually, when you run the function, a local copy of this will be created. But when you run this, it's a shared copy. So this y can be shared by other functions also. So let's say I'm running another function, say def, say by. So this is, I'm going to print, let's say by, and this is no parameter function. I'm going to, for, let's say k in range, I'm using this y, which is global y. Okay, in range y, I'm going to print by. Print by. This is another function. So this y copy is shared with, even with, say by function. Y copy is, single y copy is shared with say hello and say by both. So let me show the importance of this. So if I run this, and if I say by, you can say it's saying by one time. If I say hello, I need to tell say hello 5 times, it's telling 5 times. After that, I'm again to say bye. Now bye will be printed 5 times. How come? Because initially y was 1. So bye was printed 1 time. So after saying hello, say hello 5 times. Right? After saying hello 5 times, this hello function has updated the same y. Y's value will become 5. So then if you say bye will be printed 5 times. I think you understood the global variables and how they work. If not, please let me know. I can explain again. Did you understand? Did you understand the global variables or not?
Understood, sir.
Okay. So global is basically shared with us. So global is something like your name. Your name is globally recognized. I mean, your house also, in your home also, you are referred using your name. And in your school also referred the same name. And maybe in the society also, you are given the same name. That is global. But some subcultures, like university subcultures, I don't know whether you will be able to enjoy the university subculture due to this pandemic. So because if this lasts for another 2-3 years, so what will happen? Your university program will be online. So you will not be able to find these subcultures in the university. But anyway, so let's say in subcultures, there are something called card. University අතර card කියලා දෙන්නේ කට්ටියට නම්. ගෙදරින් දුන්න නමට අමතරව ස්කූල් වලත් දෙනවා සමහරවිට පොඩි කාඩ් එකක්. ෆයිල් කාඩ් එකක්. හරි ඒ වගේ ස්කූල් දැන් ගෙදරින්වත් දෙනවනේ ඔයාලට නමක් pet name එකක්. So those are local. Something like that. Okay, so let's go to the code. Now the global x refer to the same x here, pq. Pq I'm going to interchange as qp. So this is interesting operator in Python. So like so in other languages you can't use this kind of operator, but simultaneously if x is 10 and y is 5, so Python has nice operator. It can say x comma y equal to y comma x, which will interchange the values. X comma y is equal to y comma x, which will interchange the values. Now if I ask what is x, x will become 5, and what is y, y will become 10. Okay, that swapping will happen here. Then x equal x plus p. So x is starting with 1, and x will be x plus p. The p will be added. So you can forget this line and think x equal x plus q. Whether p add when p add කරන්න කියලා කිව්වට p ට දෙන එක q ට මාරු වෙනවනේ. එහෙනම් you can think this as x equal x plus q. Okay, my function, then they are running the my function by giving 1 and 3. 1, 3. So giving 1 and 3. 1, they not 3. 1 will be x is 1, that is for p. Q is 3, that is. Then, so x equal x plus p. X equal x plus p. X equal x plus q here. X is already 1. And 1 plus q is 3. It's 4. So it's asking to print x. So the 38, you will get answer 4. So what about your answers? What are the answers given by you? That was erased. Hari doala. A answer come with Yes. So what was the answer that you thought? Is it 4 or something else? They yeah, no alam ka dito answer ka. Shimla. Netuli. Answer එකක් හිතුවේ නැද්ද? මං කියන එක ඇහෙනවද ඔයගොල්ලන්ට? Gihan, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what was the answer that you thought for this one? 38? No answer. Is it 4 or is it something else? Okay, if you are not sure, let's try this one. So this will take more time, right? So if you are okay, tell me, otherwise we have to write and see. X equal 1 and then def my function equal p comma q, and you're going to interchange the p comma q by referring global pq, then global x and p comma q equal to q comma p, x equal x plus p, my function x comma 3 and print x. So this comes here. Okay, I think you understood the concept, right? This is question number 38 in 2020 paper. And when you execute, you can see the 4 is the answer. So same answer as we thought. X is 1, then PQ will be exchanged. So whatever given to the P is 1 and Q is 4. So Q is 3. Then this Q will be here. Q's value will be here. So 1 plus 3 will be 4. Understood or not understood? Sit me. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Others, I think, okay, right? So what would be the output of the following Python code if the input was 100? If the input is 100, if the input was 100, so what is the output for 39? 100. 100 is the input. 100 greater than 0. Yes, it is greater than 0. Okay, 3 for this. 100 greater than 0, then m equal z. M equal z. So then again check in with the 100 greater than 10 years. That is also true. It's coming inside. 100 greater than 100, no. Else if 100 less than 50, no. Else is C, and else if it is D. So C is the answer, that is 3. Okay, correct. Because 100 වලට වැඩි හින්දා මේක ඇතුළට එනවා. ඊළඟට ආයෙත් 10ටත් වැඩි හින්දා 100 මේකෙත් ඇතුළට එනවා. 100ට වැඩි නැහැ. 50ට අඩුද ඒත් නැහැ. එහෙම නැත්නම් එන්නේ C. ඒ මොකුත්ම නැත්නම් කියන්නේ මොකුත්ම නැත්නම් කියන්නේ C 10ටත් අඩු නම් 10ටත් වැඩි නම් නෙමෙයි 10ට අඩු හෝ සමාන නම් එක D. So C is the answer. Correct. Okay, I expect you to answer the question number 40, 41, 42, 43 all, right? So let's do more questions today because I asked you to practice this earlier. So why I asked you to do the paper and come early? So because we can discuss more questions. So 40, 41, 42, 43. So let's answer. There are 4 questions. Actually 2 questions are covered in Python. No, up to 44. So let's answer up to 44 even. Python, that PHP one is also there. So 40, 41, 42, 43, and 44. Please answer that. I'll give you 5 minutes, 5 questions. Try to answer within 5 minutes. You can send the answer to the chat. Right, question number 40. Question number 40 is asking, what would be the output of the following Python code? So they are given like x is 1 and y is 100. While x1, 1 less than 100, right? Y equal y minus x. Y equal y minus x. Y තියෙන 100 equal 100 minus 1 means 99. Then x equal x plus 1. So 99 if this x and y total x plus y means like 99 plus 1 is 100, right? 100 less than 90, then break. If it is less than 90, it break. Otherwise, you are continue to add the number, right? So actually subtract the number. Then if not, if so, break. Otherwise, going back. While x is 2 now. Then 99 minus 2 is 97. Then 97 and x will be 3. 97 plus 3 is again 100 less than 90. Yes, not less than 9 is going back. So 97 minus x. 97 minus x means 94 now. 94. And then so you have to actually, so these kind of things better to draw a diagram, right? Otherwise you will you'll get a confused, you'll get confused in the middle. So my advice is go for a diagram and try to answer this. So then that will be actually easier. Okay, let's use a diagram and see. So in the diagram, I'm going to draw insert maybe a okay, here insert. So let's insert table. I need x, y, while the condition y, x, and the break condition. So let's write these things. X is there, y is there. So this is called dry run, right? You can do it in the paper. The paper එකක් run කරන්න බැහැනේ. the paper එකක් කරන්න වෙන්නේ dry run කරන්න. Actually you can't run a paper. So because you don't have the coding facility in the paper. Therefore you dry run. X equal y and then x less than 100 is there. And then y equal y minus x is there. Y equal y minus x is there. Then x equal x plus 1 is there. And then there's another thing, and that is if that x plus y, you have to consider x plus y. If it is less than 90, you are going to stop the function. If it is less than 90, you're going to stop the function. Okay, let's run this now. X is 1 and y is 100. X, yes. X less than 100, yes. And y equal y minus x. Y equal y minus x means it's 99 now. And x equal x plus 1 means x is 2 now. X plus y will be 99 plus 2. So 99 plus 2, right? 99. So that's what I said. You have to always calculate. 99 plus 2 is 101. It is not less than, so it's continuing. X is 2. Y is 99 now. And x is less than 100, yes, it's less than 100. Y is 99 minus 2 is 97. So x will be 3, and this will be 97, 3, 100. And then 3 here. And y will be 97, yes. So you can see how easy after drawing this. 97 minus 3 will be 94. Then x is 4, and x plus y is 94 plus 4 is 98. Going back 4, This is 94 now. And this is yes. And 94 minus 4 is 90. So this is 5. 95 now. 5. This is 90. Yes. 90 minus 5 is 85. 6 now. 85 is 91. Going back, going to the next one. Let's move to the next page. 6 now. 85 now. And this is yes. And 85 minus 60, 65 minus 6 will be 79. 6 is 7. And 79 plus 7 will be 86. 86 is less than 90, so break. Okay, here we are. So what it's going to print? Asking the value of y will be 79. So referring to your answers, in your answers, who gave number 3? 40 number 3 less. Okay, correct. Netuli. Achinta, correct. Sydney, correct. Ihan has not sent the answer for question number 40. Okay, this is how you calculate. Please take a screenshot. So this is how you answer this kind of question. If the question is difficult, then you have to dry run it by creating a table. Okay, question number 41. So in file, there's an input file. Input file is infile.txt. It's opening for reading only. Then out file is opening for writing only. Check string no. For line in F1, if check string not in the line, so you are reading line by line by line in F1. If check string is not in the line, you are writing the file to the second one. That means you are checking a string. The check string is no කියන එක නැත්තම්. No is not in the line, you are writing the particular line. So asking which of the following statements are correct about the program. The content of the input file in file is checked in a loop one at a time. Correct. The total content of the file is written onto another file. No, not everything. If either of two files does not exist, the program will stop and wait while executing the first two lines of code. Either of two files does not exist. May file the reading file will definitely give you an error. If file is not there, it will give you an error. So it will not wait. Right? It will give you an error. So answer A is only the correct one. So asking which? Correct. Correct is only A. 41. Answer is 1A. 41. Actually, only Gihan and Netuli has tried that. Netuli gave the wrong answer. Number 2. No, B is not B. It's not right in everything, Netuli. So if check string is not in the line, then only write it. It's not right in everything. So only A is the correct one. 41. 42. 41 understood or need explanation? 41. Do you need further explanation for 41 or understood? Guys, you there?
Understood, sir.
Okay. Which of the following HTML tags are used to define a definition list? Easy questions. Definition list. It is DD, DT, and DD. DL, DT, and DD. So answer is number 2. Definition list, definition term, definition description. Definition list, definition term, definition description. It is 42 is 2. Correct. Netuli has given the correct answer. Sydney has given the correct answer. Correct. Answer at others not tried. I think so. You're having a problem of HTML. That's why I said. So when we are doing HTML part, we'll let you know. So not today. Maybe end of this month we'll be starting HTML. Yes, probably end of this month. My goal is to start HTML in the theory class. So from the next month onward, please come to the theory class to catch the HTML lesson, because that is critical lesson. That also carries around 20 marks. So please participate and get actually capture the lesson. But this is really needed for your examination, first paper, second paper, and the structured, semi-structured one. Which HTML tag is used to include caption field set? Field set in a form. Field set is going to group the fields. Field set is going to group the fields. And so grouping is done using, not using caption. Caption is the table heading. Head is the head tag in the HTML. That is not a grouping one, not a caption. Label is for the text boxes and the other things to introduce one. Legend, yes. Legend is yes. That is 43.4 is the answer. And title is not. Title is also a basic HTML tag which is used to introduce the title for the page. For legend is the answer. Question number 43, E4 is the answer, which Nethodis and Sydney's answers are correct. Okay, so question number 44. What is expected output of the following PHP block? 1 is welcome, 2 is 2020, and you are just merging that using a dot, that is concatenation. So you'll get the answer, get the result, welcome 2020 once it is printed. So that is number 2. 44 is number 2. 2 is the answer for 42. 42, 2 is the answer. Yes, Nethuli, Sydney, correct answers. Okay, right. 45. Try 45 and 46. Okay, since most of you are not familiar with this HTML, I'm not going to give you more time. I'll just give only 2 minutes. Try to answer the question number 45, 46, and 47. 45, 46, and 47. Okay, 45, 46, just try 45 and 46 only. Cannot show in the single page, that's it. 45, 46. Guess it. At least guess. So if you don't know the lesson, don't worry, guess it for the moment, because we will learn the lesson. Then මම මේක කරන්නෙත් නැත්නම් revision එකේ දැන් අනිත් ප්‍රශ්නවල මම ප්‍රශ්න වලට උත්තර දීදී කරේ. දැන් අනිත් papers කරද්දි මම ප්‍රශ්න theory ටිකක් කියලා දීදී කරේ. මේක කරන්න නැති වෙන්න හේතුවක් තියෙනවා. Because I'm going to cover the same lesson in the next month. We will be starting that in the theory class. That's why I'm not going to do that now. මේක නිකන් එක ළඟ repeat වෙනවනේ එතකොට. theory class එකට එන්න, theory class එකට ඇවිල්ලා ඔයාලා ඒක cover කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Next month I'm going to start HTML part, HTML, PHP, CSS part in the theory class. 45, 46. Try to give the answer quickly. And also, if you disconnect from this session, please reconnect, because today we are going to finish the lesson, finish the paper, right? Therefore, please reconnect if you are disconnect from the session. If you have the paper, try to answer all the questions up to question number 50.